620 EDAD Collective Journal for Systematic Improvements through Digital Age Leadership through the Organization and Effective Use of Technology Resources. I think it's important as an administrator to provide leadership to find ideas. There was a whole team at my last school that's all they did, and it was a great idea. My current VP spent numerous hours showing me the tech ideas, and it made a big difference in my class because there were so many Chromebooks and so many programs. She had to teach it all to me. Lead purposely to change the maximum for the achievement of learning goals with technology. My principal wanted change with more students using technology for higher results. So I made a data spreadsheet on technology showing what computers were being checked out. I also made a ZAP list. Zeros are not permitted. I didn't want kids failing just to fail. I would go back and tutor them. And that spreadsheet using technology showed their needs, how I could help them with online resources, when I offered tutoring with the topics, especially APA format and online resources, and phone calls and emails that I had made home. So using technology to record students' needs and wants really helped with student achievement to get maximum results. And I showed other staff as a leader in my community of how changing student learning could get better if we use technology. B, collaborate to establish metric, analyze data, interpret it, and share findings with the team to improve student learning. The current site I was on loved data, and they give a lot of time to look, review, plan ideas around the findings. The new PLC and trainings happened based on that online data. The program improved and positive data scores went up and findings were shared with families. C, recruit and retain highly competent personnel who use technology creatively and proficiently to advance academic and operational goals. The recent site had recruited highly competent personnel. They even went out of country to invite them back over to make sure we had those who were best in technology. And 3 recent interviews I went to asked about technology. Now in teaching administration, it is vital that the tech matches the goals. D, establish and leverage strategic partnerships to support systematic improvement. When I worked at the Catholic school, it was the poorest in the area, so partnerships were made. And my capstone is about systematic improvement using partnership and technology. The sites also have a company called Behively. It's a tech program, and they had AR reading partners with online technology to support tech-based learning. E, establish and maintain a robust infrastructure with technology included integrated and systems of support and teaching and learning. It's a long sentence. I really had to think about that. But an infrastructure for technology, that's crucial. You got to have a system, especially for teaching and learning nowadays. And I spent more time with IT figuring out tech issues. But in the end, once the minor problems in technology is fixed and everything is up and running in a system perfectly, learning is so much faster and you can differentiate and more effective using technology.